Here is a video script focused on understanding Hojicha formats, designed to meet your specific length and formatting requirements. Have you ever wondered why the flavor of your roasted green tea varies so drastically depending on the specific brewing format you choose to use? Hojicha is a unique Japanese green tea that is roasted over charcoal instead of steamed to create distinctively earthy, nutty, and caramel-like flavor notes. The fundamental choice between purchasing Hojicha tea bags and Hojicha powder significantly alters both your preparation method and the final taste profile in the cup. Tea bags generally contain larger loose leaf fragments that are specifically designed to be steeped in hot water for a few minutes and then discarded. This traditional steeping process results in a much lighter and translucent brew that highlights the tea's delicate aromatic qualities rather than its physical body. Many tea drinkers prefer these bags for their incredible convenience, especially when they are working in a busy office environment or traveling lightly. You simply place the single-use bag in your favorite mug, pour over hot water, and let it steep for a brief moment. The result is a soothing, clear, and amber-colored liquid that offers a gentle relaxation without ever becoming too overpowering on the sensitive palate. However, because you ultimately discard the leaves, you unfortunately miss out on some of the beneficial and soluble fiber and vitamins present in the leaf. Hojicha powder creates a completely different sensory experience because it involves grinding the roasted leaves into a very fine dust similar to matcha. When you use this powder format, you consume the entire tea leaf suspended in water, which provides a much more robust and intense flavor. This bold intensity makes the powder format the superior choice for making rich, cafe-style lattes that need a strong tea base to cut through milk. The ultrafine texture allows the tea to be whisked vigorously into a frothy suspension that feels creamy, thick, and luxurious on the tongue. Culinary enthusiasts also favor the powder because it can be easily incorporated into diverse recipes for cookies, cakes, ice cream, and other sweet treats. The concentrated flavor profile ensures that the roasted smoky notes remain prominent even after baking the mixture at high temperatures in an oven. Preparing powder does require a bit more skill and equipment, as you often need a bamboo whisk or frother to prevent annoying clumps. While tea bags offer a straightforward path to a warm cup, powder invites you to experiment with texture and density in your kitchen. Your purchasing decision should basically come down to whether you want a quick, fuss-free tea or a versatile ingredient for creative drinks. Tea bags are excellent for a light, refreshing, and hydrating drink that you can enjoy straight without any sugar or milk additions. Powder is absolutely necessary if you crave the thick mouthfeel of a latte or want to bake stunning desserts with a roasted flavor. Regardless of the specific format you choose, Hojicha remains a delicious low-caffeine option suitable for drinking late in the evening without disrupting sleep. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and like this video to see more helpful guides on mastering your daily tea rituals.